My name is Tiya.
And my name is Saachi, and we're both in 5th grade.
Together, we are called Decimal Divas. Today, we will be presenting our perfect waffle, the Choco Bell. We started out by designing a survey with questions about the flavors of waffles, toppings, syrups, size of waffles, etc. We got more than 50 responses from our family, friends, cousins, and staffies. These 2 donut charts show the flavors and toppings of the waffles. These 4 donut charts show extra topping options, preference for savory waffles, vegan waffle preference, and waffle size preference. Presenting the Choco Bell. Based on our survey, this is our perfect waffle. We called it the Choco Bell because it's half chocolate and half Belgian. The most voted toppings were strawberries, blueberries, whipped cream, Nutella, and maple syrup. So 5 toppings. Here are our recipes that we use to get our groceries. The last link at the very bottom has our groceries list and the price unit calculation. We referred to the prices on Amazon to come up with this. We have calculated for only 50 waffles of each kind because our perfect waffle is made up of half Belgian and half chocolate. This is the slide where we have our calculations for the profit and expenses of the waffle. First, we use the grocery and price list that you saw earlier to come up with the cost price for 100 waffles. We then calculated the cost price of 1 waffle by dividing this number by 100. Next, we estimated the price for additional expenses like labor, rent, electricity, etc. as $1 per waffle and added it to the cost price. Lastly, we added a profit of 25% to this price to come up with the selling price for our waffle. The selling price for the Choco Bell waffle is $3. We make 25% profit or 66 cents on each sale. This is a flyer for our customers. We designed our own food truck with special details including wheels replaced by waffles and dripping maple syrup over the counter, and our avatars inside the food truck handing out the waffles. It also has details like the location of the food truck, phone number, description of Choco Bell, etc.
Saachi and Tiya's perfect waffle. Beautifully golden on one side and sweet brown on the other. Our perfect waffle is half chocolate and half Belgian, and hence we name it the Choco Bell. Our perfect toppings include strawberries and blueberries on the Belgian side and Nutella on the chocolate side. A generous spread of whipped cream and a drizzle of maple syrup.
We had a lot of fun working on this project together. We learned how to make a survey. Using the survey results, we learned how to make pie charts and bar graphs. In this challenge, we had to do pricing, profits, and expense calculations. We learned how to formulate in spreadsheets for easier calculation. We estimated our cost to get the optimum price for Choco Bell. Besides that, we also had a lot of fun creating the food truck flyer and brainstorming ideas with each other. Now we're all set to start a waffle business. Hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.